Let's get a card for the 7-7 portal. It's beautiful. We've got the world. Is all that we see or seem but a dream within a dream? This candle burning brightly with the shadows. I am sensing that with this card, with the 7-7 portal, the completion of a thought, a mindset, something is burning brightly here, brighter than ever before, because whatever has gotten in your way, you have been resilient and strong and have overcome and have completed what you need to complete for this cycle so that you can start a new one. I find it so beautiful.